Real quick before we jump into this video, you are important. I need you to watch this video from beginning to the end. We're running up the numbers. We got to get them on up there. We're doing this as a team. It's a family. It's the game. You're doing me a favor and you're doing you a favor, so we can keep delivering this great content right to your screen, baby, from beginning to the end. Let's go. What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. That's right, it's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Today I want to come to you real quick and show you how to do this side. Quick fix side. This is fried cabbage. Southern style fried cabbage, you know it's gonna have the flavorification all through there. It's gonna be good. It's gonna have a slight crispification, real savory notes. So let's jump right into this video real quick. This is another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. Let's eat 45. Let's go, baby. All right, JPC gang, check this out. We had about a wedge, I want to call this maybe 3/4 of a cabbage left here. And I said, I guess I should show the gang how to handle this appropriately. Something real quick, real easy, real simple. So this is what we're gonna do with this cabbage. I want you to get in there. We're gonna take this core out. This here, got to go. Ain't gonna cook down too well. And maybe I'm using the wrong knife right now, but it's gonna have to work because we ain't got all day, gang. And that's just like that. Just like that, the core is out, JPC gang. Don't go crazy with your knife like I just did. When I do my cabbage, a lot of people cut their cabbage different ways in this dish. My mother used to cut it up in chunks. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come in here just like this and give me some good slices off of it. It's not too thin, it's not too thick, but it's something that's gonna cook down just right in here. Had this cabbage muy delicioso. On the Sterno 5106 today, we got the cast iron back out. This is one of our larger size cast iron pans. Let's get that crunk up. Down in the pan, JPC gang, we're going with about a tablespoon of EVOO. That's a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more. For the most part, that's a tablespoon. So we're gonna let that come up to temperature real quick. And while we do that, I'm gonna show you what veggies we're using today along with our cabbage. Now don't get me wrong, you can use and put whatever type of veggies you like in here. If you follow this recipe, it's guaranteed to be one of the best fried cabbage recipes right here on YouTube. We got a sweet Vidalia onion. We just gonna come in here. Normally we would dice this thing up, but in the cabbage, me personally, I like it sliced. So we're gonna use one medium-sized onion. That's all we out there right there. The half onion rings. That's gonna complement this dish real nice. And this dish pairs with anything, man. Basically, this is a classic in the South. If you ain't had fried cabbage before, what part of the South are you from? We're gonna add some protein in here. We got one andouille sausage going in. We basically just gonna come down and bust this andouille sausage down the middle and dice them up just like that. Just bite size, something manageable. One andouille sausage going in. Green bell pepper, this is optional. I like the flavor that this green bell pepper adds into this dish to take the flavorification to the next level. And then we got some of these sweet red bell peppers going in. Now you can customize this how you want to. If you're not used to putting peppers and, you know, sweet peppers in your cabbage, then leave them out. This is the JPC gang way. So now that we got our all up temperature, let's get some of these veggies down. You definitely want them to get some color on them and become translucent. And to your veggies, listen, real quick. About a tablespoon of S.P.G. You got to go in with the magic dust. About a tablespoon of the magic dust. Big Smokeys BBQ.com for your magic dust. Turns these dishes from basic to magical, baby. Get you some of that magic dust. Everything is breaking down, gonna become real lovely. Go on in the pot with the andouille sausage. You can whip this up. I say cook time maybe about 30 minutes. We got some bacon that we cooked up here. I'll post a video down here to show you the best way to cook some bacon. It'll be down in the description. So we basically gonna go in there and get us some bacon bits off of this cooked bacon, this smoky pork belly bacon, bite-sized pieces. All right, you wanna get those into the pan with the andouille sausage. On the andouille sausage, we're just looking for a slight color on it. We don't want too much. Ooh, I wish you could smell this right now. Them onions, peppers, that sausage cooking with that bacon. Yeah, this gonna be big. It's gonna be muy delicioso. Let's start the show. Let's get her in. We got cabbage going in. Now don't think that, you know, this is, that's too much in one pan. Nah, this is gonna cook down. It's gonna reduce in size. Now that you got the cabbage in, you have to season it up real good. So we're gonna go in with about a teaspoon of garlic salt, teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Add that umami flavor to this dish. And then we're gonna go in with about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Then we got a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So now it's about cooking it down. You wanna go on this medium to medium low heat. Let this cabbage fry, let it stir fry, let it cook down. Make sure you're stirring it occasionally so it won't burn. We've been going for roughly about 7 to 8 minutes. Just stir frying this cabbage and, you know, moving it occasionally. But as we frying this cabbage, let me show you something. Get in there. At the bottom of this pan, All the OGs of the channel, y'all know what this is. We got the fond. That's flavor. It's starting to caramelize on the bottom and get those onion caramelized, the sweet peppers, the sweet onions, and the bacon and everything, and that's starting to caramelize. You don't want to skip this step. You're going in with some ROTEL tomato. It's about half a cup of ROTEL. That's gonna pick up the fond, get this dish some acidity. You just took your fried cabbage baseability level from here at 10. We up there. No baseability. Once all those flavors is cooked down and everything start caramelizing, we're gonna go in with about 4 tablespoons of agua, just water, H2O. And that's gonna pick up all that fond. We don't wanna use no type of chicken broth or none of that because we got our flavor already. We don't need that. At this point, depending on how soft and tender you want your cabbage, that's good enough for me. Bring me a piece of chicken or baked chicken or a piece of fish or anything. But if you want your cabbage a little bit more tender, instead of 4 ounces of H2O, put your 8 ounces in there. Put your lid on it on a low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you want it very tender, then keep cooking it. Put your lid on the top. But for us JPC gang, get you a plate, it's time to eat. That didn't take long at all. Fried cabbage. You're gonna be a rock star after you fix this one. We're gonna plate it up family style. It didn't take us long. We got fried cabbage with the bacon, the andouille sausage, sweet red bell pepper, the onions, the perfect side dish. You know what time it is, JPC gang? Yeah, it's time for us to try it out. Come here. Little peppery, little sweetness. This is the one. Do it with some of them Big Smokey's ribs. I mean, come on now, just pair it well with something. The recipe will be down in the description, man. Real quick, I appreciate y'all for watching this video from beginning to the end. We still building, we still learning. I love you for watching. Until next time, JPC gang, peace and love.